Hello everyone, welcome. It's Carl here from Metabo, introducing the KHE2443, a 3-function SDS drill at our BPT basic professional level. It's got aluminium gear housing here for strength, long life, heat dissipation, safety clutch, 800 watt motor and joule rating around 2.3 joules according to the new Este testing standard. So that's a 6mm bit there, perfect for the red wall plug. Easy, quick, simple. Most drills will do that, no problem. This drill is rated to go up to a maximum capacity of 24mm. Let's see how it copes with a 20mm bit. No problem. So how about chisel function? Let's change gearbox setting over to hammer only mode. There we have it, the Metabo KHE2443, available from toolstock.co.uk.